Friends, this is the chicken keema cutlet that I have made. It has come out very crispy. Hello friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. Today I am going to make chicken keema cutlet. For that I have taken quarter kg of chicken keema, 2 medium-sized potatoes cooked and smashed, and some flattened rice which I had soaked and drained out the water, and a medium-sized onion cut finely, and 2 eggs. Firstly, let me grind this into a fine mince. I have steamed this actually. I have steamed it with salt and pepper. Let's mince the chicken keema once again so that we'll get a finer mince. I have taken a pan, put about half a spoon of cumin seeds, and the onions. Saute nicely until it becomes golden. Yeah. Let us put ginger garlic paste, half a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute nicely. Let us put the dry masalas. Half spoon of turmeric, half spoon of cumin seeds powder, one spoon of garam masala, and a spoon of pepper powder. Saute nicely until the raw smell of the masalas go away. Add the chicken keema. Let us close this and cook for a minute in low flame. Let us open this. Yes. Put the smashed potatoes. And the soaked flattened rice or poha. Some salt. Mix it nicely. Some coriander. When this cools, we can mix it with hand. So, offing the flame and wait for the mixer to get cooled. I've taken 2 eggs, putting little salt and some pepper, quarter spoon of pepper, and beat it nicely. Let us mix it with hand. We have put flattened rice also, that is poha, which will make the cutlets crispy. This is now ready. Taken a spoon. I'll give the shape of the spoon. It will be like the shape of a badam. I will be giving this shape to all the cutlet. You can even make it in rounds or any other shape also. If you have a mold, you can use those molds and make shapes. Like this we'll make all the cutlets. I have made about 16 cutlets. So let us start. Take the first cutlet, dip it in egg batter and put it in the breadcrumbs. Dust off the excess breadcrumbs, and this is ready. Like this we will do all the cutlets. The cutlets are ready for frying. 16 cutlets are there. You can store this also for 2-3 days in airtight containers in the fridge. So let us start frying this. Just put this slowly. Putting only 3. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let us turn this. When we put this, it should be on high flame, and then turn the flame to medium and then fry it slowly. You get a crispier cutlets. Cutlets are ready. Let us take this out. It's come out very nicely. Similarly, we can do the rest. This. Friends, this is the chicken keema cutlet that I have made today. It has come out very well, very crispy and very yummy also. And let us see. I will break one and show you. Inside it is very soft and outside is very crispy. So please do try this. Let me know in your comments. Friends, if you have liked my video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.